Forget about 1 year, 1 month, 1 week. Just remember, think about only today, only one day. So hi friend, I'm Nisha. Welcome to my new another video. So my friend, in this video I am going to talk about only one day plan to improve, to become, to speak English. So my friend, without wasting time, let's start the video. So see my dear friend, we all English learner are following tips and technique. Some of us are following to speak English. Some of us are following tips and technique to improve English. Some of are following tips and technique to speak English, to become fluent in English, right? And for 1 month, for 2 months, for 2 weeks, in this way, okay. But one thing I would like to say, everybody must get this experience. They are following, they are doing, but in stress, that I have to follow these tips and technique for 2 months, for 1 month, and in this way they are stressful. Instead of enjoying, they are thinking, oh, I have to do for 2 months, now 10 days left to complete 2 months, till 2 months I have to do, then I will start speaking English, I will become fluent in English, and my English will improve in this way. But in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can enjoy your journey and learn English with no stress. So for that my friend, you don't have to make the plan for 1 week, for 1 month, for 2 months. Only you have to make the plan for today. Only for today. So whatever plan you have to practice your English, to reach to your goal, to achieve your goal, don't follow for 1 week, don't follow for 1 month, start following for only one day, only one day, okay. So make the plan that this is the plan, that's how I have to do my speaking practice, and I have to do today, okay. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that make the piece of paper stick on the wall, where you have to stick, where you can see every day at any time, okay. So you have to stick the paper, and after completing your task, end of the day, you have to write the date, as well as next to the date you have to make the box and write marks, like a kind of attendance, that would be marks of that you completed your all task, whatever the plan you had made, you completed successfully. So that one you have to do, okay. So if you make the plan for one day, so my friend, you will be able to complete with no excuses, with no stress. Rather, you will enjoy, you will be confident, you will be you know confident and curious, that you, it is your cup of tea, you can do today. So that's why you have to make the plan for today, and enjoy your journey with no stress. And one more thing, tomorrow plan you have to make previous night. Yeah, let's suppose you completed your task today, okay, and this is the night time, so you have to make the plan for tomorrow, how you are going to practice your English, at what time, how you will complete all the things, okay. And then tomorrow morning only you will have to start doing, start taking action. You will not have to think and waste your time, directly you will be able to take action. So make the plan one night before, okay, for next day. So in this way my friend, you should make the plan for only one day. Now I don't do the thing I used to do. I also used to follow some tips and technique for 1 month, and I used to do, but now I don't do. I only think about the today. I know what kind of practice I need to do for improving my English, to becoming fluent in English. I know those things. So how I can complete today? only I think about that one. I don't think about tomorrow. Okay, what tomorrow I will do? No, what I have to do today. How I can do something I don't do morning, so how I will complete evening anyhow, but I do, because I have the target of only one day. I have the plan of only one day, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So now I enjoy my journey. I don't feel that I have a stress on my mind that I have to do for 1 week, I have to do for 1 month. No, I do happily, freely every day. I set the target for every day and also complete anyhow, and not for completing. Okay, I have decided I have to complete. No, really we have to do practice. Okay, then we can get the really result. Okay, not for completing the task. I'm doing this one and after that expecting that I want this result, I need this result. How we can? We have to also give the time in practice. Real practice we have to do, not fake type of that, oh I completed this one, oh I did this one. So the way we will do, same way we will get also result. it, our result depend on our hard work, on our practice, how we do. Okay, so if we really want good result, good improvement, we also need to do practice well, best way, then only we can get. So I'm telling you, for doing the practice best way, we have to make the plan for only one day. For enjoying our journey, for completing and doing everything best way, we have to set the target for only one day. Then we can do well. Okay? Why need to think about the tomorrow? Okay, what you are going to do, how you have to do for 10 days, for 15 days. Think about only for today, how you can do, how very well, best way you can do. So this time I told you, if you make the plan for one day instead of 1 month, instead of 1 week, so how you can get the progress as well as improve and enjoy your journey and learn, improve with no stress. So if you really like this way of learning, enjoying with no stress, improve, become fluent, speak English, then must follow. Please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.